If in the past, using primitive tools and manpower to process trees and weeds took a lot of time and effort, nowadays, the emergence of grinding machines has solved that problem. Along with the development of science and technology, humans have invented machines that help us reduce the use of physical labor. To handle the trees that need to be removed, using a grinding machine is one of the smart choices. Let's explore this machine together. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. The Deere 329E tree grinding machine is being used to grind grass in an empty lot, looking impressive with its sturdy and robust appearance. With its solid design and powerful engine, this machine can easily and quickly grind trees, thick bushes, and dense grass. Equipped with a sturdy cutting attachment on the front of the machine, it can cut and push grass, trees, and other materials into the grinding unit. An extremely efficient grinding system helps to grind the materials into smaller pieces, making them easy to handle and transport. Equipped with special tracks and a heavy operating weight, this grinding machine can move on hilly terrain, thick grass areas, and other difficult areas. In addition, the automatic steering system helps to control the machine easily and efficiently. With its ability to quickly and efficiently grind grass and trees, it has become an important tool in cleaning up vacant land, preparing for construction projects, or restoring the natural environment. This is the result of labor. It's amazing. We can see how the use of a professional cutting and grinding machine has demonstrated the efficiency of our labor productivity. In another scene, a grinding machine is performing its task. Today's task is to clean up patches of weeds around the construction site. Despite its small size, its power is incredibly strong. Wherever the machine goes, all the grass is processed, leaving no trace of any vegetation. With its track wheels, it can easily move forward and backward. Each clump of grass is easily processed, leaving behind a clean and empty plot of land. The use of grass grinding machines has helped reduce human labor and speed up the process of completing tasks efficiently. With its modern features and high reliability, the tree grinding machine has become an essential tool in construction projects. The transportation of raw materials for building the next project is now simpler and easier than before. The crusher is also an important tool in forest exploitation and cleaning the forest area before carrying out other exploitation activities. The mobility of the crusher is an important factor that helps the operator to move quickly and effectively in the forest. Crusher operators are usually equipped with professional driving skills and have the ability to operate the crusher accurately and safely. With flexible mobility, the crusher can move on hilly terrain and overcome obstacles such as barriers and trees. The machine is often equipped with an automatic steering system, which helps to minimize risks when moving on difficult terrain. The sturdy braking system and frame also ensures that the crusher operates safely and stably. Thanks to the mobility of the crusher, the operator can quickly move from one area to another, ensuring that the forest exploitation and cleaning activities are carried out efficiently and quickly. All work stages of the machine are calculated precisely by the operator. Clearly, completing the work of the crusher is many times more efficient than using primitive tools and human strength to do the work. To clear out all wild trees in the forest or to exploit the trees in the forest, the use of a large industrial crusher machine is a completely accurate choice. However, before putting the machine into operation, there needs to be an evaluation of the area that needs to be processed in the forest to avoid affecting the surrounding area or the living environment of animals. With the design of a giant and sharp crushing blade system, the crusher machine whirls around everything in front of it, crushing them in just a few seconds. Clearly, using these machines brings excellent efficiency, saves costs and labor. At the same time, it minimizes strong impacts on the environment around. It is obvious that the use of crusher machines in industrial exploitation is extremely necessary. They help the work to be carried out easily. At the same time, it reduces the risk caused by primitive tools. However, exploitation must always go hand in hand with reforestation and afforestation. This is one of the important factors in protecting our living environment. So the video is shown as the development of manufacturing industrial machinery that serves all industries in life. And one of those innovations is the modern industrial crusher machine. Using them replaces human labor, helping us achieve work efficiency quickly, and improving the land and environment. It's really interesting, isn't it? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye and see you in the next videos.